both the subjects in the first year are the main are anatomy, biochemistry, and physiology. But there are some subdivisions in each subject. In anatomy, you'll be having gross anatomy, general anatomy, histology, embryology, neuroanatomy, osteology. Then coming to physiology, physiology as a subject, you'll study as a whole thing, like you have only one book for that. But in the practical, you'll be having two things, that is, one is amphibian
Here you'll
lab.
be taught about BP, respiratory system, cardiovascular system, and cranial nerve examination. Then in hematology, you will be learning about all the blood tests, clotting time, bleeding time, RBC count, WBC counts, etc. In the biochemistry, you don't have such division. You will be having only biochemistry lab, and only there's one book for biochemistry.